Hello world! According to the Spotlight News, Hugh Jackman and Sutton Foster are apparently ready to tie the knot with plans for an in-faith wedding later this year. Hugh, 57, is also supposedly house hunting for a new marital home in the upscale suburb of Bedford just outside New York. According to a source close to the couple, the wedding will take place as soon as Sutton's divorce from ex-Ted Griffin is finalized. Sutton and Hugh's relationship has been kept relatively private over the past 2 years. His split from Deborah Lee Furness in 2023 shocked fans considering they were together for 27 years. Rumors swirled that there was overlap in the relationship as Sutton came into the picture relatively quickly after Huge split with Deborah, and she even described the breakdown of her marriage as a traumatic betrayal that cut deep. Sweet day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!